Well, hello everyone, welcome to another MIshort here, right on the MIgardener channel. I hope you all are going to enjoy this one. We're going to talk about today cut and come again lettuce and how we do a cut and come again style garden, because I think a lot of people can benefit. You can increase your yields while not using up any more space than you would normally. So cut and come again lettuce is great, and we've talked about it, how to plant it in a high intensity style method. That's the first step. So if you've not yet seen how to grow 5 times more lettuce, or how to grow 500% more lettuce in 5 times less space, I would recommend checking that video out, because it's going to help you kind of get the groundwork for what you need to do. Then as it grows up, I want to show you how to cut it. So we've got a lot of lettuce growing here. This is actually our winter lettuce. We're a little bit behind the ball with planting spring lettuce, because normally we'd be starting it about 2 weeks ago, but because winter jumped right into summer, we kind of just decided to leave some of this lettuce and let it mature so we could harvest some of it. But we have some gorgeous lettuce here, some mixed greens. We have some tango leaf lettuce. That's our favorite lettuce for winter lettuce. We've got some mixed in here. We got some red sails. We've also got some butter crunch mixed in with some, this is bronze guard. And then we also have over here just some more red sails over here. And then we also have some of this beautiful red romaine behind this arugula that's gone to bolt over here. So you come check this out. You can see our arugula, our red romaine is growing up nice and beautiful. And believe it or not, we've actually harvested from this about 4 times already, and it's just continued to come back. And the secret to that is not taking the entire head. So many people want to harvest the entire head off, and instead what we do is we take just the leaves. That allows the center crown to grow back again. And so all we'll do is, so this stuff still needs to mature a little bit here. It's pretty close. We have 4 rows of lettuce here. And all we're going to do, I want to harvest some of this red romaine here. All we're going to do is we're going to grab the lettuce by the top, take a nice sharp knife, and simply cut the leaves off at the crown there. So that way you have whole leaves rather than a whole lettuce plant. Come over here, you can see we're going to take some of our tango leaf lettuce and just grab it at the top and cut the leaves, and that way this center crown here is going to continue growing back more lettuce. This way you can grow way more lettuce in the same amount of space. This is going to increase your production without having to have any more garden space dedicated to lettuce. It's great for market growers, because market growing is all about productivity. This is a great spring mix that you can have. You can come over here and harvest a little bit of this beautiful red sails lettuce. It's gotten a tad bit large, but still great. And you can see there, we pretty much have just leaves. And then all we have to do is mix it up. I'll probably add a little more of the red romaine in there, but that is how you have a beautiful lettuce mix that would cost you $5 to $6 in the store, and we harvested it from maybe 10 inches of row here, but within these 10 inches we have probably close to, I'd say, 5 or 10 plants that are growing up, and they just pretty much grow up in a straight line. The leaves hold each other up and allows you to cut nice clean lettuce. So there you go. There's a really quick MIshort for all of you. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. I'd recommend trying this method, because it is a great way to increase your production without having to have a lot of space. So all right, I'll catch y'all later on the next episode. See you on Monday. Bye.